Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Sunkel. I'm a realtor here in Vero Beach, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at my listing at 1914 Westminster Circle, and it is a really cool little condo. It's 1,270 square feet. It has been updated. You really don't need to do anything here except move in. It does have impact windows, 2019 AC, 2019 water heater. Let's go take a look. This is a quick one, but it's going to be a fun one. If you do like what you see here, you want to go see some homes in Vero Beach, my phone number is 772-538-2339. Let's go take a look. What's really nice about this patio is it does open up right to the clubhouse. So only these buildings along here and then those ones over there with the bridge have that direct access. But literally you just walk out here. That's the access to the pool right there. You're right there. You're super, super close. What a great little unit here in Vero Beach. Again, my name is Sunkel. My phone number is 772-538-2339, and I'm a realtor here in Vero Beach, Florida. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you're looking for a home here in Vero Beach, feel free to give me a call. Please leave a comment about what you thought of this one, or a like so you can see more of these videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.